Here are 10 simple tricks that will instantly help you improve your close-up photography. If your subject has eyes, make sure to focus on the eyes and make sure they're sharp. Sharp eyes almost always makes for a stronger image. Don't shoot a bare flash at your subject. A good diffuser will soften the light, reduce harsh highlight and help bring out more detail in your subject. Before you press the shutter button, take a good look at the background. Moving your camera left, right, up or down can completely change the background. It can turn a messy background into a clean background and instantly improve your photo. One of the quickest ways to improve your photography is to get feedback on your images. That's why I created the macro and close-up photography community on School. We have live training, monthly challenges and photo feedback. If that sounds like something you'd like to get into, then check out the link in the description. Bigger isn't always better. Shooting with a wide open aperture on your lens can give that dreamy look, but you will lose details. Try stopping down to increase the depth of field and get more of your subject in focus. Don't be afraid of auto ISO. So set your camera to auto ISO so you can concentrate and focus on the eyes, sorting out your background, and then you ain't got to worry about your exposure. A noisy image is always better than a blurry one. You'll typically shoot down on your subject. Don't do that. Get down to the subject's eye level and take a photo from there. Getting down to your subject's eye level can give you a more intimate photograph. It can also help to clean up those backgrounds. Macro photography rewards patience. Just because you don't see nothing in the bush right now doesn't mean there'll be somebody there in 5 minutes time. I can guarantee if you're patient, the action will come to you. Don't settle for one frame. Take lots and lots of photos. Focus on the eyes, gently move your camera forward and backwards as you take the pictures, and I can guarantee at least one of them will be in focus. The best macro photographers are not lucky, they practice. Go out and practice. The more you practice, the better your photos will become. If you found any of these tips useful, then give the video a like. Subscribe for more macro photography tutorials and I'll see you in the next one.